Okay, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. At the first, I will introduce myself. My name is Maila Faisa Imantoro. My student number is 240107300 number 7. I am from Education Policy Class A. And today, I will presentation about teacher involving belief about critical thinking education during professional learning, a multi-case study. This is the research article that I chose. Okay, the topic is discuss teacher engagement and change in critical thinking professional learning program in an educational context with case study of three teachers from a low socioeconomic secondary school in Southwest Brisbane and nine teachers from a Catholic girls secondary school in Southeast Brisbane, Australia. The research problem is a gap between teachers who have adaptive and maladaptive belief. They assume that the relationship between critical thinking and subject content are two things that complement, but there are also those who assume that a relationship of critical thinking and subject content are contradictory. The purpose statement was to determine teachers' changes in integrating critical thinking with subject content as they engage in a critical thinking professional learning program. The research question is how do teacher maladaptive and adaptive belief about critical thinking education vary and change during their engagement with the teaching for thinking professional learning program? Next, why is it important for us to discuss this issue? It is very important for us to discuss because education that is integrated with the concept of critical thinking in classroom learning can have positive impact on quality thinking and influence student assessment result, student involvement in learning, and is in accordance with the goals of 21st century learning objective. Why is it a need for us to raise this issue? The importance of raising this issue is to help improve the quality of education, so the student can have critical thinking skill when learning in the classroom and when learning at the outset of the classroom, and in accordance with the goals of education in the 21st century. Under what context is this issue discussed or debated? The difference between teacher adaptive and maladaptive belief in integrating critical thinking into the curriculum and teaching practice in school are issues that are still discussed and debated in the implementation of professional learning programs. Next, there are any gap or controversy. Number one, differences in teacher adaptive and maladaptive belief toward critical thinking education. Number two, differences between two different schools in research support and how to integrate into the curriculum. Based on this research article, in the Australia have two schools that have different research support and policy to implementation these professional learning programs. Number three, gaps in teacher understanding in integrating critical thinking professional learning in the classroom. Okay, And my position to respond this gap controversy is I am fully support a continuous professional learning approach. Gaps in critical thinking education can be addressed through structured learning programs, focusing on developing teacher adaptive belief and providing ongoing support for teachers to effectively integrate critical thinking education in the school. And the implication is there is a need for ongoing supportive and iterative professional learning for teachers. Number two, support the implementation of professional learning programs to help challenges maladaptive belief. Number three, leverage and expand adaptive belief so that critical thinking education can have an impact beyond the classroom, empowering students to think effectively throughout life and preparing students for life in the future. This is my bibliography from the research article. Okay, and that's all I can present. I'm so sorry if I have any mistakes, and thank you.